Metra 60 here, bringing you a update about some of the rolling stock I've gotten recently. And so I got a ton more stuff, including some new passenger cars, freight cars, and also a new locomotive. Well, I guess let's get started. So first off, as you can see, I got 844, which I got yesterday. It's very nice. It's a Kato model, as you can see, and it's very cool. I also got this Micro Trains BNSF tanker car, and I also got this Kato Metra bilevel bookcase set. This over there is the bookcase, as you can see. And I also got these two little trucks. I got these FedEx and DHL, and then also got more of these little cars, as you can see. So, I guess let's get 844 running. Just have well, guys, that finishes off our update. And, well, yeah, bye. See you in the next video.